Today, I'm gonna show you how to finally crack the TikTok code and make real money with affiliate marketing. No dancing required. Unless you want to. If you follow the simple steps in this video, you'll find out exactly what you need to know to get started as a successful affiliate on TikTok. My name is Keely and I run all the social media accounts for ClickBank, including TikTok, and I have my own business as an influencer covering niches like women's health, fitness, and outdoors. So I know how this works and I'm excited to show you how to succeed on TikTok too. Now, if you haven't been living under a rock for the last 5 years or just gotten out of a few years long coma, you've probably seen TikTok skyrocket all across the internet. Boasting over 1 billion monthly active users across the entire world, TikTok is an online phenomenon with no signs of slowing down. In fact, between rulings amongst the Supreme Court about whether or not United States citizens should be allowed to have TikTok, certain states like Montana banning the app entirely, and the rapid rise of users on TikTok Shop, the app has been everywhere and seen everything. It's no longer an app for kids to do their TikTok dances, pranks, or challenges. It's one of the biggest platforms for businesses and brands to interact with their audience in a new, authentic, and approachable way. In the same way that TikTok has grown, so has the world of online business, and that includes affiliate marketing. With that in mind, TikTok affiliate marketing has made rapid gains and become a really powerful opportunity. So let's dive into how you can use TikTok to generate affiliate sales and make money online. TikTok has experienced a pretty impressive worldwide growth trajectory from 2012 to now. In only 13 years, the app has over 1.5 billion users. What started as a business called ByteDance, founded in China, quickly became something much larger. When the famous app Musical.ly was founded in 2014 and hit #1 in the App Store a mere year later, ByteDance knew it had the opportunity to do something epic. They acquired Musical.ly and later emerged in 2017 with the app TikTok. From 54 million users in January of 2018 to 271 million less than a year later, which is a 324% increase in users, by the way, businesses could tell this app was moving fast. So what is TikTok affiliate marketing and what's the hype about this dang app anyways? Like many other organic affiliate marketing approaches, from Pinterest to Instagram, TikTok affiliate marketing involves creating content, in this case, TikTok videos, to grow an audience that you can monetize with affiliate products. These days, TikTok makes affiliate marketing super easy with the new-ish TikTok Shop, a place where you can monetize with affiliate sales directly from TikTok. So in addition to your affiliate marketing efforts through other social media online platforms, you can jump onto TikTok Shop. But what makes TikTok unique is that it's much newer, having launched in 2016, and it's primarily accessed by mobile. In comparison, Facebook has been around for 17 years. X, formerly known as Twitter, has been around for 14 years, and even Snapchat has been in the game for 10 years already, which makes me feel really old. To many users, these older platforms are a dying breed to be avoided. So TikTok affiliate marketing is ideal for building trust and loyalty with these users who you may not find anywhere else online. Today's social media users love interacting with fun and personable brands, and TikTok rewards that kind of content. Given the effectiveness of digital mobile marketing, affiliate marketers can benefit from the diversity of demographics on TikTok to reach and engage new audiences. Like any other affiliate marketing approach, TikTok affiliate marketing involves using special tracking links to point viewers to a sales page, usually through an intermediary affiliate blog, landing page, or other social platform like YouTube. The goal is to use your TikTok videos to grow an audience that you can monetize with affiliate sales. If you're using TikTok to promote your own affiliate links, there's a few things to note here. The first thing to know about TikTok is that, like Instagram, it doesn't allow users to add affiliate links to videos or any posted content. It only allows you to have a link in your bio. The theory behind this is that TikTok doesn't want users to leave their app. So if you want to promote products and brands for a commission, create a regular TikTok account and follow these few simple steps to work around this restriction. First, you can upgrade your TikTok account to a TikTok business account. Unlike some personal accounts on TikTok, a business account will always allow you to place a clickable link in your profile. Next, you're going to want to add a link to your bio. If you're wanting to promote multiple products or links, the best way for that is to build a link bridge page. That can be done easily through a landing page builder tool like Linktree or ClickBank's accelerator tool. If you're a bigger affiliate, you can direct users to your own blog or YouTube channel and promote multiple affiliate products in those places. Another thing to note here is that on top of your affiliate promotions elsewhere, you can add TikTok Shop to your TikTok affiliate marketing plan. TikTok Shop has a ton of affiliate products you can add to your online hustle as well. If you are working with only one brand or seller, the landing page step may not be necessary. But if you're working with multiple different sellers or affiliate offers, instead of changing the link you post every time you post a different piece of content, you can use third-party tools like the ones I mentioned before. When a user clicks on the link in your profile, it's going to point them to a landing page that hosts all of your links, and it makes it really easy to update them at any time. So for affiliate marketing to make you money, you need to get enough views on your videos. A few other factors are at play here, but the most important is views. That's what's going to help you find success as a TikTok affiliate marketer. I have a whole other video on how to find and research keywords and information as a content creator, so I'm not going to go into great detail here, but you can watch that video at the link in our description below. Also, another thing to note, before you begin your TikTok affiliate marketing journey, you should take plenty of time to research the platform, your niche, and similar content creators. I also want to heavily emphasize creating a content calendar to help with your posting. You can watch my video about that in the description below if you want a few pointers, and then come back to this video to continue your TikTok affiliate marketing journey. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's highlight a few of our top tips on how to become a TikTok affiliate. Tip number 1 is consistency. First, you want to be consistent with your content posting. The TikTok algorithm works on regularity. So to increase your reach and gain the trust of your viewers, you have to post regularly. Like any kind of content, the proper approach is to create a consistent publishing schedule and stick to it. And that's really the most important part. Aim to post at least one video a day. However, if you post long form content, 2 to 3 times per week is also sufficient. We have a ton of tips on how to create content for Reels, TikToks, and Shorts that you can check out in the description below. My second tip is to tap into trends. Because you're looking into affiliate marketing, you may feel like you need to find your own path and be unique, which is an understandable impulse. But when creating TikTok content, you want to make sure that you find the right balance between staying on trend and diversifying within your niche to be able to truly connect to your audience and community. And yes, while you could theoretically create new trends yourself, there's no guarantee that other people will jump in and make your content go viral. Besides, the TikTok algorithm prioritizes content based on popularity and the number of views. The more popular the trend, the more impressions your content will get. So take some time to analyze what's currently popular on the platform and tap into it. Trends could involve anything from using a particular song, visual effect, or a joke. However, with that being said, the trends you utilize should still be related to your niche, because you're not marketing to everyone and your goal is sales, not just views. Both go hand in hand. My third tip is to find your ideal niche. For your audience to trust you enough to buy the products you recommend, they need to feel that you truly understand them. That's why you should only focus on a specific audience. Once you illustrate that you know what they need, they'll be more likely to trust your recommendations for different solutions to their problems. You should really take some time as well to research your target market on other social platforms and look for overlap on TikTok. Once you've identified them, take note of the type of content they engage with and then brainstorm ideas about the content you can create to draw them in. For me, for example, a lot of the demographic in my niche is women in their 20s to 30s. I found this by doing research on other creators in my space. They typically engage with content that's inspiring, educational, and helpful. From there, I use that information and knowledge to help me decide on the best kind of educational content I want to create to bring that demographic into my community. I might do an educational post on yoga poses to do before bedtime or the best foods to eat for hormone balance. If your videos aren't attracting many viewers, it's likely because you aren't targeting the right audience with the right content. So once you've found your niche, it's important to dial into your niche. One of the easiest ways to continue to dial into your niche is to look at your reporting on the TikTok platform. Once you've begun your affiliate marketing journey, you'll have more data to assess based on the actions of your audience. Dig into this. What makes them tick? What actions are they taking with your products? Maybe they're leaving your landing page and then returning to it. Put yourself in the shoes of the people within your niche and really try to understand the data and the actions of the consumers in your audience. You can check out some of our top tips for dialing into your niche to help you out with this step in the video link below. Lastly, you should be redirecting traffic using a call to action or CTA. Having millions of views on TikTok is great. But what if you found a way to make money from them by redirecting them to other monetized platform or your own website? Your call to action, which you should have on pretty much every video, otherwise it's a dead end, shouldn't only direct them to the product or service, you can use it to redirect them. For example, if you would like more tips, subscribe to my YouTube channel. A call to action as simple as that could bring in more passive income. You can also use the CTA to get your viewers to subscribe to your email list so you can convert them with affiliate email marketing. So you've got the gist now of how to create content for your niche and product promotions, but what does it actually take to monetize your efforts as a TikTok affiliate? Having an actual TikTok shop set up to help with marketing is a huge win. It's super easy to add your TikTok shop products into your videos and link them into your profile. Second, take the time to build an audience, like we talked about. TikTok considers the posting frequency of a potential influencer marketing affiliate when considering the number of users that will view a creator's content. Frequent content creates better engagement rates and boosts followers. Next, choose an affiliate program or programs. As your account starts to grow a decent following in a chosen niche or for a certain audience demographic, you can use it for affiliate marketing. You can add additional affiliate products that are outside of TikTok Shop to your promotions to really capitalize on your online side hustle. As an affiliate, you can also work with a direct advertiser or choose to join an affiliate network. And if you want a quick way to get started, you can check out the best affiliate marketing niches on ClickBank below in the description. To quickly summarize a few though, the top 3 right now are dietary supplements, diets and weight loss, and dental health. Once you've got that sorted, you can take this optional but recommended next step, using lead magnets to capture information. TikTok does not allow affiliates to include tracking links in their videos or in their bio, which means you need to create some kind of affiliate bridge page, like I mentioned, which is typically a link in bio page, to route people from TikTok over to an affiliate offer you're promoting. One last step, of course, is including an opt-in form on the bridge page to capture contact information for leads. These are email subscribers you can send new offers to over time. As an affiliate marketer, you should really think holistically. It's not just about the content or the page or the email. You want the whole experience to work seamlessly together and encourage users to go through each stage of your funnel and ultimately make a purchase, which leaves you with a commission on the sale. And after you've taken the time to really weigh the pros and cons and decide whether or not to try TikTok affiliate marketing, it's time to focus on how to boost your affiliate marketing business. Remember that most TikTok users are Gen Zs between 16 and 24 years of age, which is one of the most diverse populations yet. They possess both digital nativism and a high education level. In other words, they're savvy, not only on the internet, but in the world as well. They're not gonna be sold on just anything. Your product has to matter to them and mean something. Like I say all the time, it has to solve a problem and make people feel like they're part of something bigger than themselves. If you want to succeed on TikTok, your chosen affiliate niche or niches absolutely must appeal to this demographic. Current users are likely to spend their disposable income on style, fashion, gadgets, deco, and consumer products. Now, there's 2 primary ways to grow with TikTok: organic traffic and paid traffic. I'm going to finish up our conversation about organic TikTok and then I'll briefly touch on paid. A tip I often suggest is that really any successful affiliate marketer should have multiple winning strategies. The best and most straightforward method is to leverage the organic traffic from your videos on TikTok. This approach works best when you already have regular viewers who engage with your videos. And like I mentioned earlier, not all accounts have the same option of adding affiliate links to their TikTok bio, and it's not possible to embed clickable affiliate links in your actual videos. But there's some ways to get around it and leverage your organic traffic for affiliate sales. You can add your URL leading back to your other social profiles, link to a bridge page or landing page in your profile, promote promo or coupon codes in your videos, add a non-clickable affiliate URL in your content description, add affiliate products from TikTok Shop, or a combination of any of those. Organic traffic is truly one of the most important factors in the success of your TikTok affiliate campaigns. With high viewership, you can create lasting relationships with users, improve brand awareness and engagement, and seed your audience across a range of platforms and channels. And while our focus in this video has been on organic traffic with TikTok, you can also leverage paid TikTok advertising for better affiliate marketing results across a wider audience. There are a few different options for this. First is in-feed videos, which are videos that appear while users are scrolling the general feed. There's brand takeovers, where a video is shown as a full screen, engaging and immersive ad playing for about 6 seconds. And then there's top view, which is a hybrid ad between in-feeds and takeover videos, and they usually play for around 60 seconds. There's hashtag challenges, which is a simple way of promoting UGC. You can post videos that encourage traffic using a custom hashtag. And finally, there's branded AR, also known as branded scan. Branded augmented reality allows affiliates to create ads using branded stickers, lenses, 2D, 3D, and AR effects that viewers can later use in their content. TikTok advertising allows more targeted delivery of a product or brand promotion, and it's giving dominant ad platforms like Facebook and YouTube a serious run for their money. So before we go, I'll leave you with a few small parting tips to hopefully help increase your TikTok affiliate marketing traffic. 1, be consistent and post frequently. 2, create compelling and engaging content. 3, engage with other content relevant to your affiliate niche by liking or commenting on other related videos. 4, invite followers from other social media platforms. 5, stay current with the trends. 6, use relevant and active hashtags. 7, start a personal challenge or trend and invite your audience to join. 8, join a team of other creators. 9, build your list of email subscribers by creating useful lead magnets. And 10, stay creative. There's no doubt about the opportunities available on TikTok. It's relatively new, yet exciting, as the newest part of the wild west of the internet. In my opinion, it's no coincidence that the year TikTok became the most popular website, Facebook lost users for the first time ever. And coincidence or not, TikTok is still relatively new on the social media scene, so any growth it has achieved is nothing compared to what it can still become. That's why the best time to start affiliate TikTok marketing is yesterday, and the second best time is right now. With the right content and affiliate offers to promote, you can grow your audience on TikTok for the foreseeable future. So even though you probably won't get rich from affiliate commissions for the first few weeks or months of posting, you have a really great opportunity to start generating affiliate income in the near future. Now go forth and conquer the TikTok world. You've got this. If you liked this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give us a like if you feel so kind. I will see you next time.